Hello, this is Juval and welcome to Juval TV. And in this video, we are going to create a bootable flash drive using PowerISO application. Before we begin, we will be needing two things. One is a USB flash drive with at least 8 gig of memory and a PowerISO application. And for the PowerISO application, I will provide a download link in the description below. Okay, so a bootable flash drive will allow you to boot the computer from the file system on your flash drive rather than the hard drive of your computer. Okay, so that's it. Let's start.
Okay, so open PowerISO and make sure that you use the version 6.5 or the newest version and run the application as administrator. Then go to Tools and select Create Bootable USB Drive, and on the select source and click this button to look for the ISO file. So in this video I'm going to use Windows 10 ISO file, this one, and click select open. And on the destination USB drive, so I'm using the Kingston USB drive. It's 15 gig. And for the write method, make sure that you select this USB HDD. So this is the recommended writing method, and click start. Okay, so PowerISO will alert you that all the data in the USB drive will be destroyed. Just click OK to continue. Okay, you should now see the progress information here, and the process is now starting. Okay, the process is now complete, and if no errors occurred in the process, it should now be all set to set up your Windows from USB drive. And that's it. That's how you create a bootable USB drive using PowerISO. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.